All right, today I'm going to show you how to connect to Smartsheet using the Coefficient add-on. Keep in mind this also works if you're using Microsoft Excel. If you don't have the Coefficient add-on, go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and then search for Coefficient in the add-on store. Once you have it installed, we'll go ahead and open it by clicking on Extensions, Coefficient, and Launch. Once the sidebar is open, we'll click on Import From, and then we just need to find Smartsheet under Suggested Sources, or if you not see it there, we'll go ahead and click on See All Sources, and then we'll just find Smartsheet here in alphabetical order. Once you've found it, click on Connect, and then we just need to authorize that connection by clicking on the Authorize button. And then if you've not already logged in, it'll ask you to log in. Once you're logged in, then you can just click on Allow here. And then once that's done, it'll bring you back to the add-on, and then you can click on Start from Scratch to start that import settings. So there's a couple different things that we can import. As you can see in this list, today we're going to quickly go over importing sheets and reports. So I'm going to show you two ways to do this, and you can see that they go in a very similar way. So we have list all sheets and import a sheet, list all reports, and import a report. And so if you look at this import a sheet, you can see here under the last part, it says sheet ID. And then under report, it has report ID. And so to get a single sheet or report, we need that report ID. And there are two ways to get that. One is by using the list all sheets or list all reports method. And the other you can actually find within Smartsheet itself. And so I'm going to start with reports real quick, and we're going to show you this workflow. So list all reports, and then we'll go ahead and click preview. And then what we're going to look for is our ID. And so let's get our ID for our demo report. And then we'll copy that, go back to request, and then we'll list import a report here and use that report ID and preview. And now we can see our demo report. If we go to our demo report, you can see that data there that it is pulling in. One thing to note is it won't bring in the breakdowns and other aspects, but will bring in the data from your report. All right, next, let's look at importing a sheet. And so we need that sheet ID. So now I'm going to show you how to get it when you're in Smartsheet. So go to File, Properties, and then here is that sheet ID. So we'll go ahead and copy that, and then come back to here and paste it in to our sheet ID field, and then click preview. And then here again, now we have that data. All right, so that's all we'll do for the moment. We do have an option to limit how many rows. So for example, right now we have 1,422 rows. So we could limit that if you want to limit it to a certain amount. Otherwise, we'll go ahead and click on import. Once it's done importing, we have the option to auto refresh the data. You can do that on an hourly, daily, or weekly basis. Or if you want to set up later or refresh manually, you can click not right now. So here you can see again the settings that we've set up to pull this data. You can always access that at a later point by clicking open sidebar at the top of the sheet. I hope that helps you to see how quick and easy it is to connect to Smartsheet using the Coefficient add-on and bring in your data. Keep in mind, this also works on Microsoft Excel. All right, thanks. Have a great day.